I wanted to briefly introduce you to the devices that the district will be adopting as part of our new two-way communication system. So right off the bat, these are not radios. These are two-way communication devices that use FirstNet's wireless network, and that's a network that's made specifically for first responders around the country, law enforcement officers, firefighters, and now school districts. So really what that's going to mean for us is that our devices are going to have a lot greater range than they had previously, and we're going to have a much more reliable communications platform moving forward. On top of that, we're also going to be able to program these devices ourselves. So it's giving us a lot more flexibility than anything we had previously. So let's go through the device very briefly here and open this up. So first thing that you'll notice when you open the box is the device itself. Now this is a Sonim XP5plus. And when you handle it, you'll realize pretty quickly how durable it is. This is weather resistant. It's nice and sealed up here. And it is drop resistant as well. Very, very rugged device. All right, let's set that aside for a sec and very briefly go over what you get in the box. So you've got a manual inside here. We continue to open this up. Take a look at our accessories. We've got a wall adapter to charge it, a USB-C cable, and a small screwdriver. Now this is going to be used to open up the back of the device just in case we need to access the battery or the SIM cards. And that's it. Now as far as the actual device itself, just a few things to point out before we power it up. Again, it looks like any rugged cell phone because that's exactly what it is. Now we do have a knob on the top there to change between our available channels. Volume knob. On the side here, this yellow button is our push to talk button. And then we have additional volume control there on the side. Now on the opposite side here, you'll notice we have a port there. That's for external accessories like a wired headset. And on the very bottom, we have to open up this little rubber flap. That is where we charge the device. That is the USB-C receptacle there on the bottom. All right, let's go ahead and get this powered on. What you'd want to do to get this started up is press and hold this red button here. Now the first time you unbox this and turn it on, it's going to take 3 to 4 minutes to get everything formatted and initialized. So we're going to go ahead and set this aside so I can show you what your device should look like when you're ready to go. So all Banning USD users, when their device is initialized and ready to go, will look like this, the same landing screen right here. So we'll go over this in greater detail on the next video, but that is again just a basic overview of the two-way communication platform that we've adopted and how to get your new device unboxed and powered up.